Hello students, our today's topic is root modification. So what is root modification? When the growth of the root is different from the normal, then that is known as root modification. कि जब root की growth normal से different हो तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? root modification बोलते हैं. So growth of the root different from the normal. ओके ये क्यों होती है? सबसे पहले फॉर द स्टोरेज ऑफ फूड, फूड को स्टोर करने के लिए, फॉर रेस्पिरेशन, फॉर रिप्रोडक्शन, फॉर वेजिटेटिव ग्रोथ, फॉर पेरिनेशन, फॉर क्लाइंबिंग एक्सेट्रा. So these are the reasons why root are modified. Okay, so first one is storage of food, फूड स्टोर करने के लिए, रेस्पिरेशन करने के लिए, रिप्रोडक्शन करने के लिए, वेजिटेटिव ग्रोथ के लिए या फिर पेरिनेशन के लिए. सो व्हाट इज पेरिनेशन? दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. पेरिनेशन, पेरिनेशन इज द सर्वाइवल ऑफ द प्लांट अंडर अनफेवरेबल कंडीशंस. सो व्हाट इज पेरिनेशन? सर्वाइवल ऑफ द प्लांट अंडर अनफेवरेबल कंडीशंस. सो इसके लिए भी रूट मॉडिफिकेशन होती है. लास्ट इज क्लाइंबिंग. ओके, सो दीज आर द रीजंस फॉर root modification. So now we know that roots are of two types. First is tap root and other one is adventitious type of root. Clear? So जो tap root है उसमें भी एक तो normal root grow करेगी, दूसरी क्या होगी? Modified होगी. Okay? So why do they modify? First of all, for storage of food. So storage of food is further of subtypes. A type is conical, B type is fusiform, C type is napiform, and last D type is tuberous. Okay, so these are the modification of root under storage of food. Clear कि modify क्यों हो रही है storage of food के लिए, and these are the type of modifications. Clear? So this is the first type, storage of food के लिए. Second is nodulated root. Third is respiratory. Fourth one is mycorrhizal. Fifth one is buttress root. And the last one is sixth one, which is reproductive root. So modification of tap root is of these types. So first one is storage of food. Okay, so इसमें आगे further subtypes है conical, fusiform, napiform, tuberous. Clear? And then second type is nodulated root. Third type is respiratory root. Fourth is mycorrhizal, fifth one is buttress root, and sixth one is reproductive root. So these are the modification of the tap roots. Clear? Now we will do adventitious roots. So adventitious roots are also two types. First is normal, so other one is modified. So now we will write its further subtypes. So in adventitious type of root, normal is subdivided into many parts. So first one is fibrous. So in fibrous, it is further divided into tuberous. Second type is fasciculated. Third type is annulated. Fourth type is moniliform. Fifth type is pallimate. And the last type of this is nodulose root. So these are the further subtypes of fibrous type of normal root in adventitious type of roots. Okay, so this fibrous root is further divided into two more parts. First one is for sport, sport के लिए, and another part is for vital functions. Clear? So जो ये subtypes थी ये थी storage of food के लिए, second is care for sport, and third is for vital functions. So we have done with storage type of roots. So next is for support. So this is prop root, stilt root, and climbers. So these are the example of roots in which support is provided. Clear? Last is vital functions. First one is leaf root, second is floating root, next is parasitic, photosynthetic, and epiphytic. Along with these, there are also other three types which are reproductive, root thorns, and contractile root. सो दीज आर द अदर थ्री टाइप्स इन वाइटल फंक्शंस ऑफ मॉडिफिकेशन, ठीक है। सो वाइटल फंक्शन करने के लिए जो मॉडिफिकेशन होती है उसमें है लीफ रूट, फ्लोटिंग, पैरासिटिक, फोटोसिंथेटिक, एपिफिटिक, रिप्रोडक्टिव, root thorns and contractile roots. Clear? So this is the modification of the roots in adventitious types. Clear? Now we will do first of all modification of root in taproot in detail. Okay? So सबसे पहले क्या है, स्टोरेज ऑफ फूड के लिए. So स्टोरेज ऑफ फूड के लिए चार फॉर्म्स हैं, कोनिकल, फ्यूजिफॉर्म, नेपिफॉर्म एंड ट्यूबरस. Clear? So first of all we will do these things. Next we will do adventitious type. So पहले क्या करना है, कोनिकल, फ्यूजिफॉर्म, नेपिफॉर्म एंड tuberous type of roots. So let's do it. So first of all we will do taproot modification for storage of food. So first of all characteristic of these type of roots, इसकी characteristic कौन कौन सी हैं? So these roots are fleshy or swollen type of roots which are biennial in nature. So ये biennial क्यों होती है? क्योंकि in first growing season they store food, वो store करती हैं food को, and in the second growing season they use this stored food for the growth of plant, mainly its reproductive growth. ठीक है, ग्रोथ के लिए यूज करती हैं. क्लियर? सो नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज हाइपोकटाइल आल्सो टेक पार्ट इन द मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ रूट. ठीक है, कि जो हाइपोकटाइल रीजन है वो भी मॉडिफिकेशन में क्या करता है, पार्टिसिपेशन करता है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज लीव्स आर ऑफ रेडिकल टाइप, कि इसके जो लीव्स होते हैं वो रेडिकल होते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि जो स्टेम है, स्टेम इज ऑफ रेड्यूस्ड टाइप. इस तरह के जो प्लांट्स है जिसमें ये मॉडिफिकेशन होती है उसमें स्टेम क्या होते हैं, रेड्यूस होती हैं. इसलिए जो लीव्स हैं दे आर ऑफ रेडिकल टाइप. क्लियर? सो लीव्स आर ऑफ रेडिकल टाइप बिकॉज स्टेम्स आर रेड्यूस्ड इन taproot modification such as storage of food. Okay, so these are the characteristic of taproot modification for the storage of food. Fleshy or swollen, biennial in nature, which means फर्स्ट ईयर में वो स्टोर करते हैं फूड और सेकंड सीजन में वो क्या करते हैं, रिप्रोडक्टिवली ग्रो करती हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज हाइपोकटाइल रीजन भी मॉडिफिकेशन में हेल्प करता है. सो मेनली लीव्स आर एट रेडिकल पोजीशन एंड स्टेम इज reduced type. Clear? So these are the characteristic of modification of taproot for the storage of food. Clear? Now we will do its all subtype. First one is conical, second one is fusiform, third is napiform, and the last one is tuberous. So as you see, we have different types of modification in taproots. So first one is conical, next is fusiform, then is napiform, and last is tuberous. And these are the structures of different types of modification in taproot for the storage. So first of all, we are going to start with the conical type. Clear? So in conical, as you see, the root is of cone shape. So mainly जो root है वो किस shape में है, cone shape में है. Next is जो stem है वो बहुत reduced है. So this portion which is looking like a band is the reduced stem. So ये portion क्या है, reduced stem है. ठीक है. And these are the secondary branches or secondary roots which are arising from the main taproot. So जो इसमें जो main fleshy part है वो कौन सी root है, taproot है. ठीक है. So the modification occurs in taproot. So mainly जो storage of food है वो किस में हो रहा है, taproot में हो रहा है. Is it clear? And these are the secondary roots. Next is hypocotyl region does not take part in modification. Okay, so जो hypocotyl region है वो सिर्फ यहाँ पे रह जाता है ऊपर ऊपर, वो इसकी modification में कोई participate नहीं करता. और mainly ये कौन सी चीज है, taproot of the root है. ठीक है. So example of conical type of modification is Docus caryota, which is commonly known as carrot. ठीक है. So carrot is the example of conical type of modification. So let's take a recap. Reduced stem है, okay. Secondary roots are thread-like, okay. Cone shape है इसलिए इसका नाम conical है. So जो mainly modification है वो किसकी है, taproot की है. Hypocotyl इसमें modification में कोई participate नहीं कर रहा. ठीक है. So these are the features of the conical type of modification. Clear? Now next is fusiform. So what is the meaning of fusiform? In this the root is modified into spindle shape. ठीक है, कि जो modification है वो कैसे हो रही है, spindle shape में हो रही है. So mainly spindle shape is looking like this. So this is a spindle shape. So in this, both the apex and the base are tapered. बट जो हमने कोनिकल किया था उसमें सिर्फ एपेक्स साइड ही टेपर हुई थी, ठीक है. सो टेपर एंड इज ओनली ऑन द एपेक्स साइड. जो बेस था वो टेपर नहीं हुआ था. सो जो बेस था वो टेपर नहीं था, सिर्फ एपेक्स ही टेपर था, ठीक है. बट इसमें फ्यूजिफॉर्म में बोथ बेस एंड द एपेक्स आर टेपर्ड. क्लियर. सो दिस इज नोन एज द फ्यूजिफॉर्म टाइप. सो नाउ वी विल डू characteristic of the fusiform. Okay, so first of all, stem is reduced. So in fusiform form, stem is also reduced type. Okay, so इसमें भी stem reduced है. Okay, so these are the radical leaf. जो ऊपर present है, these are the radical leaf. Okay, clear. Conical type of modification में hypoctyl ने कोई भी participation नहीं किया था इसकी modification में. But in fusiform, 2/3 portion of this pollen part is formed by the hypoctyl. ठीक है. सो इतना पार्ट किसने बनाया है? हाइपोक्टाइल ने फॉर्मेशन किया है. क्लियर. एंड दिस इज द रेस्ट ऑफ दिस इज टैप रूट. ओके, एंड दीज आर द स्ट्रक्चर्स विच आर सेकेंडरी रूट्स. क्लियर. सो दीज आर द सेकेंडरी रूट्स. दिस थिंग इज टैप रूट एंड दिस पोर्शन इज डेवलप्ड बाय द हाइपोक्टाइल रीजन एंड दीज आर द रेडिकल लीव्स. क्लियर. And then example of fusiform type is Raphanus stivus, which is commonly known as radish. Clear? So in radish, fusiform type of modification is present. Now next type is napiform. So in napiform, mainly the swollen area is nearly spherical. So इसमें जो swollen area वो किस शेप का है? Spherical शेप का है, ठीक है. So in this modification, hypoctyl takes part in more than 2/3 portion of the modification. So 2/3 part से ज्यादा रीजन किसका है modification में? hypoctyl का. So mainly this portion is of hypoctyl. So this portion is of hypoctyl. Okay, and the rest of portion is of taproot. So this is the taproot which is very narrow at the apex. जो apex पे बहुत ज्यादा narrow है. And these are the secondary roots which are present on the taproot. Clear. And these are the radical leaves. And in this stem is also reduced. इसमें भी stem क्या है? बहुत reduce होती है, ठीक है. So mainly conical, fusiform and napiform we have given this thing, ठीक है. So तीनों में difference क्या है? इसमें hypoctyl region बिल्कुल modification में participate नहीं करता. इसमें 2/3 hypoctyl region participate करता है modification में. And इसमें 2/3 पोर्शन से ज्यादा पार्ट किसका है? हाइपोक्टाइल का है इन द मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ द रूट. क्लियर. सो दिस इज द मॉडिफिकेशन मेनली कोनिकल, फ्यूजिफॉर्म एंड नेपिफॉर्म टाइप. ओके, एंड द एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस इज ब्रेसिका रैपर. ओके, सो दिस इज द एग्जांपल व्हिच इज आल्सो नोन एज टर्निप. सो टर्निप इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ नेपिफॉर्म टाइप ऑफ द मॉडिफिकेशन. क्लियर. लास्ट टाइप इज ट्यूबरस टाइप. So in this no regular shape is formed. कोई भी इसकी रेगुलर शेप फॉर्म नहीं होती, ठीक है. सो मेनली इसमें भी हाइपोक्टाइल रीजन बिल्कुल भी पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करता इन द मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ द रूट. सो हाइपोक्टाइल रीजन बिल्कुल पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर रहा है. मेनली रिजर्व फूड मटेरियल इज प्रेजेंट इन इरेगुलर फॉर्म, ठीक है. सो इरेगुलर फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट है. एंड द एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस टाइप इज मिराबिलिस जिलापा, दैट इज आल्सो नोन एज 4 o'clock plant, and Trichosanthus, which is also known as purple. So these are the example of the tuberous type of modification in taproot. Clear. So these are the 4 different types of modification for the storage of food which is present in taproot. Done. Okay students, now we will do modification of adventitious type of roots for storage of food. These have further subtypes. So first one is tuberous. So this type of modification is mainly arise at the nodal region or nodes of the creeping stem. Okay. So हर एक node पे एक single tuber is formed. Okay. So as you can see in this diagram, So this is the creeping stem. This is the creeping stem on which at the nodal region this tuber is arising. Okay, so ये tuber arise हो गया and these are the root tubers. Okay, so all over the tuber root tubers are present and this is the normal adventitious type of fruit. Clear? This is the normal adventitious type of fruit and at the nodal region this tuber is forming. So this is the tuberous type of fruit and example of this is Ipomia batata. Ipomia batata, so mainly this is known as sweet potato. So sweet potato is the example of the tuberous type of modification in adventitious roots. Clear? So next we are going to start fasciculated type of modification for the storage of food. Clear? So let's start it. So in this type of modification occurs of definite shape. ठीक है, definite shape की modification होती है. Mainly occurs at erect stem में होती है at nodal region. कहाँ पे? Nodal region पे, nodes पे. So example of this is dahlia and in asparagus also this type of modification occurs but at roots. So roots पे at different intervals fasciculated type of modification occurs. ठीक है, asparagus में. So let's draw it. So this is the structure of fasciculated type of modification. So as you can see from the stem it is arising and this is also stem part and this is present in the cluster. So mainly cluster में present है. And as you can see this is the branching and on each branching these are the tubers or tuberous type of modification is present and on these are present root tubers. So this is the fasciculated type of modification. So main examples are dahlia and asparagus. Clear? So dahlia में कहाँ पे होती है stem पे modification और asparagus में कहाँ पे होती है roots में at different intervals. What is the meaning of interval? कि थोड़ी थोड़ी space छोड़ के next tuber is arising. ठीक है? Third type is plummet type. So in which mainly modification occurs like a palm of hand. As you can see. So these are the normal adventitious type of roots and this is the modification of the adventitious type of root which is looking like a palm and these are the finger like projection on the palm. ठीक है, so that is known as plummet type of the modification. Clear? Example of this is orchis. So orchis में इस तरह की modification देखने को मिलती है. ठीक है, so plummet में mainly क्या है, palm like structure with fingers like projections. Clear? So next is moniliform type of modification in which these modifications are looking like beads. Okay, इसलिए इसका नाम moniliform है. Okay, mainly this is present in Portulaca, Modica, Rubra, etc. ठीक है, so इसमें moniliform type of modification is present. Clear? Looking like beads. Next type is nodulous type of modification in which this is the main stem and from the main stem many branches are arising and of these branches only apex part is swollen. जो इसका apex part है वही swollen किया हुआ है. ठीक है, so this is the thing which is known as nodulous type of modification. Clear? Example of this is curcuma which is also known as mango ginger. Last type of this is annulated. So in annulated rings are present. So mainly this modification is looking like rings. So in this type of modification annular growths are present. So these are annular growth. So example of this is Psychotria. So this is the annulated type of modification. Clear? In which annular growth is present. So this is the modification of adventitious type of roots for the storage of food. कि food को store करने के लिए जो modifications हुई हैं. ठीक है? So all things are clear to you.